Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to open a Mizuho Bank account online. First, open the official Mizuho Bank website in your web browser. At the top left of the page, click on the option that says Open an Account. A new page will open. On this page, look for the button that says Open an Account online and click on it. Next, click on Open an Account to start the process. Now you will see important instructions on the screen. These instructions explain situations where you may not be able to apply for an online account. Read this part carefully. Take your time and make sure none of the conditions apply to you. After reading, check the box that confirms you have read and understood the information. Then click on Next. After that, you will see the terms and conditions. Read the description provided on the page. Once you are done, agree to the terms and click on Next to continue. Now you will be asked to enter your birth date. Enter it correctly. If you have Japanese nationality, check the option for that. Then choose your occupation from the list provided. After completing this section, click on Next. Next, the system will ask you to choose a card type. Select the Mizuho Bank card. You will also be asked to choose the card functions. Select the options you want and continue. Then agree to the card-related terms and click on Next. After this step, the system will ask you to complete identity verification. This verification is done using the TrustDoc app. A QR code will appear on the screen. Scan this QR code with your mobile phone to open the TrustDoc app. Follow the instructions in the app to take photos of your identity document and complete the verification process. Once your identity is successfully verified, you will be able to continue with the online bank account opening process. Follow the remaining on-screen instructions until your application is completed. Thanks for watching.